Hey there! Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best bicycle saddlebag options that combine durability, smart storage, and rider-friendly design. Whether for daily commutes or long rides, these picks have you covered. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the EVA Bicycle Saddlebag. The EVA Bicycle Saddlebag is thoughtfully designed to enhance every cycling journey with a perfect balance of style, durability, and functionality. Crafted with a focus on rider comfort, this compact yet practical accessory blends modern aesthetics with reliable performance, making it a dependable companion for both casual rides and long-distance cycling. Built using rigid, waterproof EVA material, the bag offers strong protection against rain, snow, and other harsh environmental conditions. Its waterproof zipper further ensures that your essentials remain dry and secure, allowing cyclists to ride with confidence regardless of weather changes. The sturdy structure also helps maintain the bag's shape, preventing deformation while keeping items organized inside. Safety is a key consideration in the design. Reflective strips are strategically placed on the rear and sides of the saddlebag, improving visibility during night rides or in low-light conditions. This feature helps alert nearby vehicles and pedestrians, adding an extra layer of security. Additionally, the bag includes reserved space for installing a taillight, giving riders the flexibility to customize their setup based on personal safety needs. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to its adjustable strap system. The long, durable strap allows the bag to be securely fastened under the bike seat, ensuring a stable fit even on rough terrain. The simple mounting design also makes it easy to remove when needed, offering convenience for everyday use. Combining practical storage, weather resistance, and enhanced visibility, the EVA Bicycle Saddlebag is designed to meet the real needs of cyclists. Its user-focused features make it an ideal choice for those who value both functionality and a smooth, worry-free riding experience. Next, at number 4, is the Danuosie Bicycle Saddlebag. The Danuosie Bicycle Saddlebag is designed to bring practicality and convenience to every cycling journey. Built with an expandable structure, it offers flexible storage that adapts to your needs. With a simple zipper adjustment, the capacity increases from 1.5 liters to 2 liters, allowing riders to carry more essentials when required without adding unnecessary bulk during shorter trips. Its compact dimensions ensure it remains unobtrusive while still providing ample space. Constructed from durable 900D waterproof Oxford fabric with a protective PU coating, the bag is made to withstand everyday outdoor conditions. The materials are PVC-free, emphasizing both durability and a safer build quality. While it performs well against light splashes and damp environments, it is best suited for moderate weather rather than extended exposure to heavy rain. For cyclists who ride after dark, safety is enhanced through a large reflective surface that improves visibility on the road. The inclusion of a dedicated taillight hook allows for easy attachment of a rear light, adding another layer of security during nighttime rides. Inside, the thoughtfully designed multi-compartment layout keeps belongings organized and easily accessible. A spacious main compartment is complemented by a built-in mesh pocket, making it simple to store and separate items such as keys, wallets, gloves, phones, and repair tools. This organized structure ensures riders can quickly find what they need without unnecessary stops. Installation is straightforward thanks to the strap-on system. Adjustable Velcro straps allow the bag to be securely fitted under a wide range of bicycle seats, from traditional models to electric bikes. The snug and stable attachment ensures the bag remains firmly in place, even on uneven terrain, making it a reliable companion for both daily commutes and long-distance rides. Coming in at number 3, we have the Powvine Bicycle Saddlebag. The Powvine Bicycle Saddlebag is a thoughtfully designed cycling accessory that combines functionality, durability, and safety in a compact form. Built with an innovative expandable structure, it offers flexible storage capacity ranging from 1.6 liters to 2.0 liters. This allows riders to adjust the space based on their needs, whether carrying daily essentials like a phone, wallet, and keys, or additional items such as a tire repair kit. Its streamlined shape ensures it fits neatly under the saddle without interfering with pedaling, providing both comfort and efficiency during rides. Safety is a key focus of this saddlebag. It comes equipped with reflective strips on both sides, improving visibility in low-light environments. Additionally, the integrated rear light features intelligent brake-sensing technology, which enhances awareness for vehicles and other riders during night commutes or evening cycling sessions. This added visibility contributes to a safer riding experience in various conditions. The bag is constructed using professional-grade waterproof materials paired with a two-way self-locking waterproof zipper. This design effectively protects belongings from rain, ensuring that items remain dry even during heavy downpours. Its robust 3D hard-shell structure, made from high-strength EVA material, offers excellent resistance against pressure and impact, keeping contents secure and intact. The carbon fiber textured exterior not only adds a sleek, modern look, but also makes cleaning easy after outdoor use. Installation is simple and reliable, thanks to a dual fixing system that combines hook and loop straps with a quick-release bracket. This setup ensures the bag remains stable and secure during rides, while allowing for easy attachment and removal. The adjustable angle feature further enhances usability, accommodating different bike setups. Designed for versatility, the Powvine Bicycle Saddlebag is compatible with road bikes, e-bikes, and mountain bikes. Its 2-in-1 detachable design allows the bag and tail light to function independently, offering flexibility for different cycling needs. Whether for daily commuting or short outdoor trips, it delivers a balanced blend of convenience, protection, and performance. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Rockbros Bicycle Saddlebag. The Rockbros Bicycle Saddlebag is designed to enhance everyday cycling with a blend of durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. Its unique 3D shell structure combined with a wave cushion interior provides reliable shock resistance, helping to protect your essentials even during unexpected bumps or minor falls. The upgraded strap system ensures a more secure and stable fit compared to traditional designs, offering improved reliability over long rides. Built with rainproof fabric and a taped zipper, the bag offers dependable protection against light rain and splashes, keeping your belongings safe and dry during unpredictable weather. While it performs well in wet conditions, it is best suited for standard rain exposure rather than prolonged submersion. Installation is simple and efficient, thanks to 2 strong stick-up straps and a rubber buckle system. This setup allows the bag to be quickly mounted and firmly secured to the seat post, minimizing movement while riding. Its compact yet structured interior is carefully organized, featuring mesh pockets that make it easy to store small items such as cash, keys, snack bars, and essential repair tools. Safety is also a key consideration in its design. A reflective strap runs along the exterior of the bag, increasing visibility during nighttime rides. Additionally, a convenient tail light hook provides space for attaching a rear light, further enhancing safety in low light conditions. Attention to detail is evident throughout the bag, from its sleek shape to its practical internal layout. Combined with responsive customer support and a commitment to quality, this saddlebag offers a dependable storage solution for cyclists seeking both performance and convenience on the road. And finally, our top pick for the Jxfukal Bicycle Saddlebag. The Jxfukal bicycle saddlebag is designed to meet the practical needs of cyclists who require both durability and convenience on the road. Built with a waterproof hard shell structure, the bag uses EVA material coated with PU, offering a sturdy yet lightweight form that resists wear and tear. Its solid construction helps maintain shape even during rough rides, while the smooth surface makes it easy to clean after long journeys. To provide extra protection against unpredictable weather, the bag also includes a rain cover, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry. With a generous 9.5-liter capacity, this saddlebag offers ample storage for a wide range of cycling essentials. The thoughtfully organized interior includes a spacious main compartment, 3 mesh pockets, and an additional top pocket for quick access. An adjustable elastic cord on the exterior allows for securing extra items, making it highly versatile for carrying tools, gadgets, clothing, food, and other daily necessities. Its size strikes a balance between portability and functionality, making it suitable for both short rides and extended trips. Safety is also a key consideration in its design. Reflective elements on all 4 sides enhance visibility during nighttime or low-light conditions, helping cyclists stay noticeable on the road. Additionally, a rear strap provides a convenient spot to attach a tail light, further improving riding safety. Installation is quick and secure thanks to the combination of buckle mounting straps and a Velcro strap. This system ensures the bag remains stable even on uneven terrain, while still allowing easy removal when needed. The adjustable straps make it compatible with various types of bicycles, including mountain bikes, road bikes, e-bikes, hybrid bikes, and gravel bikes. Beyond cycling, the bag is built for versatility. A detachable shoulder strap and carry handle allow it to be used off the bike with ease, making it a practical companion for picnics, commuting, camping, or travel. Combining functionality, durability, and smart design, the Jxfukal bicycle saddlebag serves as a reliable partner for riders in any situation. Don't miss out on these must-have picks. Check the price link in the description and find the perfect one for your ride. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing recommendations.